In this video, I'm going to show you how to send images on StrawPage. Now, the first thing you have to make sure is that the person who you're trying to send your image has this message sending enabled here on their site. So they must have the send message, or otherwise known as AMA gimmick, on their website. And if they do, you could go ahead and do that. Now, of course, you could also draw in your image if they have this box as well over here. However, this is not the most convenient way. So to send it, we're actually not going to send a file because that's not possible. Instead, we're going to send a link to an image which we're going to upload to an online hosting website. So you can go to any website which hosts images. For example, I use this one over here, postimages.org. You could just go and choose your image over here, click on it, and then open it. It's going to upload onto your account over here, onto their server, onto the cloud, and then you basically, when this happens, you'll see your image is going to be here like that, and you get a link. Now, when you have the link, you want to click on the copy button. You have to simply go back, and where it says send a message, you can just go and paste in that link and then send it, and that way you can send an image to somebody. This is kind of a workaround I usually use. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.